There we go. It looks like the eiders are starting to get their colors again. That means you'll be able to fly. And so we got a little male here. Are you a young one? Your colors are very pretty. So yeah, oh, there's another one right here. Hello there. Wow, so that means I'll be able to film you guys up close. Very cool. Eiders, they make eider down to make, you know, pillows and stuff. Wow. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, okay. So, it looks like it's male and female over here. Hello. So pretty. They're probably my second favorite duck after the ruddy duck. I love how big they are. They're big ducks. Oh, and one just went in the water. Oh! Are you gonna go in the water too? Yeah? No? Maybe? Alright. Have a little bird. You have a good day. Little bird, hello. Oh. Let's see if I can see that one.